Okay, next one main question we are going to arise here, that is why organisms reproduce. Okay, why organisms are going to reproduce. For this, a very simple simple definition. Okay, to continue its species on this planet. Okay, the existing organism wants to continue its species on this planet. Okay, yes, very simple. Why organism reproduce? Why organism want to reproduce? Because very simple answer. Okay, the existing organism want to continue its species. The existing organism wants to continue its species on this planet. Again, what the question bರುತ್ತೆ? Okay, is why it want to continue? Why it want to continue? Okay, yes, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ already ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Because almost all existing organisms are die in one or the another future or coming days. Okay, yes, almost existing organisms, they are going to die in future. Because of that reason, it want to continue. Okay, yes, how that continuity is to be maintained? ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, how that continuity is maintained. Okay, yes, how that continuity is maintained. For this, answer will be reproduction. Okay, yes, actually ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೈಜು, ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಗೂ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ವಾಂಟ್ to reproduce? Okay, for that the existing organism wants to continue, okay, its species on this planet. Okay, in existing ಇದಾವ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, why it want to continue? ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, okay, whatever may be the existing organisms are there, they are not permanent here, they are going to die in one future day. Okay, next, how that continuity is maintained? Okay, that continuity that is maintained by process called reproduction. Okay, yes, ಈಗ ನೀವು reproduction definition ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, okay, reproduction is a basic biological process in which production of young ones similar to itself. Production of young ones similar to itself. Okay, yes. Very simple definition. Reproduction is a basic biological process in which production of young one similar to itself. Okay, last year ನೀವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲೈಫ್, okay, life is what we call thing which is to be made up of cells which show growth, metabolism and reproduction. Growth, metabolism and reproduction. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, okay, reproduction is a basic biological process in which production of young one similar to itself. ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ರೀಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ is of two types. Okay, yes. One will be very simple, that is asexual reproduction. And second will be sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction and second one, that is to be sexual reproduction. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ asexual ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ reproduction occur without the involvement of sex cells. Sexual reproduction ಅಂದ್ರೆ reproduction occur by the involvement of sex cells. Okay, yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ why organism wants to reproduce? Because very simple, the existing organism, okay, is once in bed agli the organism why organism reproduce? Because the existing organism want to continue its species on this planet. Why it want to continue? Very simple, almost all existing organisms, they are going to die in future days. Okay, therefore they want to continue its species on this planet. How that continuity is maintained? Okay, ade in finally reproduction barutte. Reproduction is a basic biological process in which production of anyone similar to itself. Okay, reproduction is of two types. One will be asexual reproduction, another one will be sexual reproduction. Okay, next we are going to discuss asexual reproduction.